what are some things that people can do at home to help calm their nervous system? So the first thing we're going to think is we want to increase a little bit more parasympathetic tone when people are more sympathetically dominant. And the easiest way to do that is by vagus nerve activation, which is a big buzzword. People like that. And the ways we can do it at home is we can sing, we can hum, we can gargle. And I typically suggest somebody to stand over the sink and you'll put water in your mouth and you're going to try to gargle for at least 15 seconds. If you can only gargle for 5, just spit it out and keep trying. Probably about 15 seconds, 3 reps, and just spit the water out after you're done gargling. But getting that palate, you're getting large vagus nerve activation with that. Breathing exercises are really good. There's all different forms of breathing. There's box breathing and things like that. So whatever type of breathing pattern works for you. A good way to get more oxygen into your blood is using a 4-to-6 ratio where you're inhaling for 4 seconds and you're exhaling for 6 seconds. And when you get to that bottom of that exhale, you're going to forcefully expire. You're going to get all that old stale air out of your lungs so that when you breathe in, you can load oxygen-rich air in those alveoli of the lungs. So it helps get more oxygen in the blood. It's very calming. You can also do meditation. There's different brainwaves apps that you can listen to for calming and things like that. The brainwaves, if you're using binaural beats, you want to make sure you use headphones. So those are really good. And there's a lot of different, I think today we are in a world that we're really go, go, go. So there's a lot of options out there. And the main thing is just check in with your body and say, how am I feeling? You know, do I feel more calm, more rested? Is my mind racing still, or has it calmed down a little bit? Things like that.